Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to the Kurldom. My name is Janelle and I'm the founder and KULTURED KULTURED LLC, and today I am back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you another what I like to eat in a day video, which also counts as what I eat in a week, but I decided to show you a different type of what I eat in a day. In last week's video, I mentioned how I've been feeling a little overwhelmed and how I've been feeling bloated and I've been feeling very anxious and I've been breaking out a lot. And so I decided to go gluten-free. I decided to start cutting out the dairy and cutting out meat, and so I've been doing a lot of plant-based meals this week and I've been feeling a lot better. I have to say, I feel a lot less bloated. I don't feel as heavy as I did last week, and I feel a little bit more focused, and that's because I've been eating more vegetables, I've been drinking a lot more water, and I've also just been staying away from the foods that make me feel very low. And so I hopped on the Pinterest and looked up some great plant-based ideas, found a few, and decided to cook them this week, and I want to show you guys exactly what I ate. I also want to make note that I am not a nutritionist. I am not a fitness guru. I eat to make myself feel better, and I also eat the best foods that will help my hair, skin, and nails. And so without further ado, you know I don't want to keep you too long, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so we are at the end of this video. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. If you like this video, then I need you to do something for me. I need you to hit that like button, subscribe, and also make sure you click the bell so you get notified every single time I post on this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you. Bye, y'all.